Hello students, I want to show you quickly how to tape a syllabus into your composition book. You're going to tape this into page 7. It's on the table of contents where it goes. Here's the syllabus. I printed it out from mrrockmath.com, right? Step 1 is to fold any page you tape into the book too. This is going to be the same procedure. First step is to fold the page like a taco. Right? They say fold like a hot dog or like a taco. Here's like this one. Oh, I didn't do it that well. Let me fix it. I like mine to be just right. There, it's a little better. Okay, fold it like this, unfold it, put the top of the page right at the red line and see how it's parallel to it. And if you're in geometry, of course you know what parallel is from going back. Take a piece of tape, not too long, maybe a couple inches. Can you see that? Maybe a couple inches long. Less if you don't have much tape. And the tape goes right across here. Right, so right there. And then the page folds like this. And the book closes like this, and it's perfect, right? There's nothing hanging out that can't shake out. The shakeout test, right? And if you need to see the back, you can see the back of it. And if you need to use this page, you can still use this page. Okay, that's how you tape a syllabus into your composition book.